welcome you all once again to this webinar series on civil engineering excellence. So friends, आज मैं आपसे डिस्कस करूँगा ग्रीन कंक्रीट में जो क्रैक्स साइट पे हम लोग देखते हैं, जो भी अपने फ्रेंड्स मेरे से साइट पे काम करते हैं, यू मस्ट हैव ऑब्जर्व पर्टिकुलरली इन स्लैब कि कंक्रीट करने के थोड़ी देर के बाद में हमको उसके ऊपर क्रैक्स दिखने लगते हैं. तो ये क्रैक्स क्यों होते हैं? सी देयर आर वेरियस फैक्टर्स फॉर दिस क्रैक्स. सी वन इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर इज द क्लाइमेट. Which season you are doing the concreting? Say suppose it is a rainy season, lot of humidity is there, but wind is not there, so आपको cracks का percentage कम दिखेगा. If you do the concreting in summer season and if wind speed is more, then you will find very immediately lot of cracks will be seen. Winter it is okay. I mean winter climate is good for concreting, but we cannot wait concreting for the season. So that is another problem. Now why do these cracks happen? See, there are various factors. Most important is the rapid loss of moisture from the surface of the concrete. The moment we pour the concrete and vibrate it, and if the wind speed is more and the heat is there, summer season, so the surface moisture immediately evaporates, because we all know hydration process is exothermic reaction and lot of heat is produced in the concrete. So evaporation of water, once it goes, and if the surface we don't take proper precaution, cracks will appear. So this is the main reason. Now how can we avoid these cracks? See, one is your concrete water cement ratio must be maintained properly. That is a major factor. Now suppose water is more, there will be more loss of moisture and more cracks will be there. If water is less, your concrete will not be properly finished. So optimum water cement ratio should be there. Another thing is vibration. How you are doing the vibration at site? Now see, earlier when the site mix concrete we were using, the water cement ratio was of the order of say 0.45 to 0.47, and concrete mix was very homogeneous. So when once you do the vibration, concrete will set in the position and cracks will be minimum. Now with the development of this ready mix concrete and the requirement for high slump, see high rise building and other thing, we need to pump the concrete where we need the slump of the order of say 150 to 200 millimeter. So though the water cement ratio is maintained properly, but lot of slump is there. So because of slump, you need to do the less of vibration. If you do the same amount of vibration in this concrete also, the complete aggregates will settle down and only cement water will be there on the surface. Then there will be a problem. So vibration requirement you must observe at site depending on the climate, depending on the homogeneity of the mix, and depending on the section, size of the section, depth of the section, so many things are there. So proper adequate vibration should be there. Over vibration should also not be there, and under vibration should also not be there. Then the masons which they are doing the finishing, how skilled the mason are, they should do the proper finish without too much of compaction. See, minimum compaction is required, but if the too much of compaction is there, then aggregate by weight itself, by gravity, they will try to settle down, and on the surface cement slurry will be there. So that mason should be expert. Now suppose still some cracks will be seen, because nobody can make a concrete or nobody can do the site work without some minor cracks appear, but we can definitely minimize these cracks. Suppose cracks are appearing at the site, say after setting up say 1 hour, 2 hour, you should observe. So what we can do is the retroweling. That is one method. So cracks will disappear. If needed, you can add some cement slurry and then do the retroweling. So you can cover those cracks. Then second time, even if some cracks are there, it will be definitely less than the previous one. Another is, if the concrete is still green, you can revibrate it for some time. So that depending on the site and based on your field experience, you can do those types of things. So these are though these cracks are not affecting the durability of the concrete, but aesthetically they are objectionable, and it is not good to have such type of things. So this practice, but actually what happens at site is once the slab concreting or major pour is there, concreting going on, once the concrete is finished, nobody will see backward, but we as an engineer, we should take a round of the already finished concrete and see is there any cracks are there. If these cracks are there, we should try to rectify those cracks. And summer season particularly, you can cover the concrete with a plastic sheet or a tarpaulin, so that rapid loss of moisture will not be there. Then immediately after setting, say initial set 4 or 5 hours of concreting, sprinkling of the water must start. Otherwise again cracks will be there. So friend, these are the precautions. You can minimize the cracks in the green concrete. Another is if the concrete say after say 1 day 2 days setting, we have to de-shutter the column surfaces. Some people what they do while de-shuttering, they do not take proper precaution and lot of hammering or impact is there. Because of those impact also cracks can appear on the sections. So that thing should be done carefully. Sometimes people do the hacking of the concrete surface immediately next day. That is not correct. See, concrete should have sufficient strength. As we all know, concrete already having very less of tensile strength. And if you do the hammering and then this hacking, again cracks will come. So this hacking part should be done after a week or 10 days of the concrete once it is set. So friend, these are the minor precautions if you take at site. We can definitely avoid these cracks in green concrete or fresh concrete. तो इसके आज की वीडियो में दोस्तों इतना ही. अगले वीडियो में मैं आपसे बात करूंगा क्वालिटी कंट्रोल मेजर्स एट साइट. तो अगले वीडियो में मिलते हैं दोस्तों. और मेरा वीडियो आपको कैसे लगा है आप कमेंट्स में मुझे ज़रूर बताइए. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. थैंक यू.